Hey everyone, the Motorola Edge 70 Max occupies an unusual position in Motorola's smartphone lineup. Rather than replacing the Edge 70 Pro or sitting clearly above it, the Edge 70 Max feels like an alternative premium flagship aimed at users who value a larger display and a slightly different feature set. The first thing anyone notices about the Edge 70 Max is its sheer size. Built around a massive 6.82-inch display, this is one of the largest smartphones Motorola has produced in recent years. Despite the enormous screen, the bezels remain slim, giving the front a modern appearance. The downside is that the phone is both thicker and heavier than many competitors, weighing over 220 grams. Motorola has taken a more conservative approach to the design this time around. Instead of the colorful finishes and sculpted camera islands that have become a trademark of recent Edge smartphones, the Edge 70 Max opts for a cleaner, more understated look. The matte aluminum frame feels solid in the hand, while the rear panel has a refined texture that resists fingerprints fairly well. Durability is one of the handset's biggest strengths. Gorilla Glass 7i protects the front panel, offering improved resistance against scratches and accidental drops. The device also carries MIL STD 810H certification, demonstrating that it has been tested against vibration, temperature extremes, and everyday impacts. Combined with IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, the Edge 70 Max is designed to survive far more abuse than the average flagship. Motorola continues to deliver one of the cleanest Android experiences available. Running Android 16, the interface stays close to Google's original vision without unnecessary visual changes or duplicate applications. The dedicated AI button on the side of the phone reflects Motorola's more restrained approach to artificial intelligence. Storage starts at 256 gigs, which is perfectly respectable for a premium smartphone, although some competing devices offer larger capacities as standard. Like nearly every flagship in 2026, there is no micro SD card slot for expandable storage. Motorola promises 5 years of security updates alongside 3 major Android version upgrades. The highlight of the entire device is undoubtedly its stunning display. The expansive 6.82-inch AMOLED panel delivers an incredibly immersive viewing experience, whether watching movies, gaming, or browsing the web. Overall performance is exactly what buyers expect from a premium smartphone in this category. The interface feels fluid, multitasking is effortless, and demanding applications run without hesitation. Combined with the large, high-resolution display, the phone offers an excellent platform for gaming, productivity, and entertainment. Motorola's lightweight software also helps maintain the responsive feel that many Android enthusiasts appreciate. The Motorola Edge 70 Max may have a confusing place within Motorola's growing lineup, but viewed on its own merits, it is an impressive flagship. It combines a huge, gorgeous display, premium construction, rugged durability, clean Android software, practical productivity features, and excellent everyday performance into a well-rounded package. While its software support could be longer and its design is more restrained than some previous Motorola phones, the overall experience remains highly polished. For users looking for a large-screen Android flagship with a clean interface and dependable hardware rather than flashy gimmicks, the Motorola Edge 70 Max proves to be one of Motorola's strongest offerings in the premium smartphone market. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.